Hi, I'm Bill Steinert. I'm here with pipe wrench, plumbing, heating, and cooling. I'm one of the HVAC service technicians, and today I'm assisting on a HVAC furnace installation. So if you want to follow along, we'll take you through it today. So me and my family relocated to Knoxville area in 2019. We moved from Chicago, so I had to get a new job, and searching around, and pipe wrench stood out as a great place to work for. They treat their customers good. They're good to all their employees. It's a very family-friendly environment. Before I was at pipe wrench, I was still up in Chicago. I worked for a company called Polar Heating. I was there for 15 years. It's actually where I got started in HVAC. I was started out as a helper right out of trade school. Just kept building up my skills, worked up to service. I've been doing service ever since. Still learning new stuff, still getting certified, trained. Can never learn enough. I've done sales. I like interacting with the customers. So basically, went from there to here. Once me and my family decided to relocate to the Knoxville area, it was time to find a new job. I had about 5 interviews, and pipe wrench just stood out as the best option, the most comfortable. I knew it was a match right away. This is where I wanted to work. What I like best about being a service tech is you get to figure out a different problem on each call. Nothing's the same, it doesn't get redundant. You get challenged every day. Gives you a good feeling to know you're helping the customer out. You're resolving their problem, getting their heat going or getting their cooling going, fixing their air quality. It's a pretty rewarding job. Best thing about working at pipe wrench is just the guys you work with. Everyone's good to get along with. Everyone works together as a team. It's a fun environment. The stress is low. They give you the time you need to do the job right. You're not rushing through stuff. You're not cutting corners. Provide the best experience for the customer. So yeah, overall, I'd say, pipe wrench is definitely a place you want to work at. So I've been married for 10 years now. I have two boys, so my spare time, I like to spend all the time I can with my family. One of the reasons for moving down here was to have a better work-life balance, which I get at pipe wrench. You get weekends off. That was something I never had before. So we try to utilize that time the best we can while the kids are still growing.